I'm going to show you another video on, of course, hairstyle. So today's Friday. Normally on Fridays I like to take out my protective style and leave my hair down for a full day, which is on Saturday, and then put it back in protective style on Sunday. You know, just a chance for my hair to get, you know, some breathing room and a break from all the twists and the braids. So I was going to do a flexi rod set, but it's so hot, so humid, I'm going to do that tonight. So I told my friend earlier this morning that I can show her a style that she can do to her straight hair that we naturals do to our hair, and that's just regular 2 braids going down the side. So I'm going to get started. My only tools today would be my hands and a comb and hairpins. Okay, so let's take this down. Good thing I already have the part right here for my braids and twist mix that I had. So I'm gonna go straight down the middle. I normally don't mind if my braid is perfectly down the line. As I said in my other videos, if it's not perfectly straight, I'm okay with that. Okay. So I'm going to pin one side and the back to the side, just to get it out of the way, so I don't braid some of the hair into this one. I can't believe how humid it is today. I wasn't even prepared for it. I normally check the weather when I wake up in the morning, and I didn't. I should have known something was coming, because in the middle of the night it was extremely hot. Okay, so then I'm going to pull my hair down on the side. Now it's best to do to get the greatest braid out for 2 braids is on stretched hair. So if you just come out of the shower and your hair is already shrunken, you can do it, but it just might be a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to start on the edge, on the beginning part, and I'm going to braid along this way, straight down that way. I'm not going to braid back, but braid down the side. So here we go. I know one thing, when quarantine is over, the first thing I want to do is go hiking. I miss being outdoors. We are definitely an outdoors family. We like to go camping, hiking. I love to go running. I haven't been running in weeks. I usually go just about every day. But since we've been on quarantine and I want to protect myself and my family, I have not been running. So I've been making up for that by doing more insanity. Put my flyaway there. More insanity workouts. I mean, I've always done insanity workouts, but I've just been doing more to make up for it. I get a good sweat in. But like I was saying, I can't wait to go hiking. That's the first thing I want to do. I just love being out in the woods, in the forest, when it's just you and nature and peace and quiet. There aren't any horns honking, people shouting. It's just peaceful and quiet. Sometimes you need a little quiet. Oh, got a snapper. Yeah, there we go. Especially when you live in a city, you're always hearing noises all day, every day, constantly, even at night when you're trying to get some sleep. It's just nice to get a break from that. Not only helps you physically recharge, but also helps you mentally recharge. It's so hot, I'm starting to sweat just from doing this one braid. And then be sure when you braid in the back that you're not pulling right here. You don't want those bumps along the line. So you gotta make sure it's nice and loose. Because if you have those bumps there, that means your hair is pulling, and you could be pulling out your hair without even knowing it. Go straight down. I kind of, oh, look at that coming out. Go back up. I kind of did a mini tutorial on how to do a braid in my braids and twists video, which I will link in the description box. But if you want to see a full braid tutorial, just leave me a message in the comments and I'll do a video solely on how to braid hair. Whether it's braiding loosely like this, or braiding to the scalp. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. I don't know why it is, especially the longer that my hair gets. I just love this hairstyle. It's just so adorable to me. I will always wear this hairstyle if I could, but I'm too active not to. Whether I'm working out or playing with my kids, it just wouldn't be right. I will always have like sprigs coming up, my roots sweating. It would not look fresh on day 3. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Take these hairpins out. My job is talking about opening up the office next month. I work in a big city. I'm a little nervous about that. I mean, if it's mandatory, I will see, what I can do to keep working from home. But if it's not mandatory, I'm not going in. No, that's okay. I will keep working from home. But I get it. People who work at home, they miss the quote-unquote normal life of being at work, being with friends in person, or a chance to get away and do something different out of the norm, a chance to not be scared anymore. I get it. I understand. But I personally love, just put my flyaways there. I love being at home with family. Even if we're like in disagreements for anything, I still love being with my family. There's no other place I'd rather be. Okay, let's get this braid going. Now it may seem like I'm going, is this going? Nope, it may seem like I'm going back, but I am actually staying closer towards the front. It's just that the way that I'm gripping it looks like that. Okay, and there's another bead of sweat dripping. Hello, Mr. Sweat. I'm like, serious, I can't believe how humid it is. It rained for like 3 seconds. And I was like, yes, that's what we needed. And it was still humid. I'm like, come on. What's this? What's up with the teas? And I know it's not gonna rain anymore today. Well, I don't know that for sure, but I can guess. Okay, and work my way down. And I'm almost finished. And a good thing, if you can see like a gap right here, that's a good thing. That means your hair is not going to be pulled in the back. Especially when you hold your head down like this. You shouldn't, that's the test. If you hold your neck down like this and you can feel it pulling, that means you need to grab it and just gently pull it back. It's too tight. Hey, what's that? The same thing I did on the other side. You see like a little piece coming off. You just need to smooth it with your fingers so that your hairs can stick together. Or stay together, really. And that way you don't have any pieces on the side. Is that another one? thinking about doing another video on my wash day, which is Sunday. So I'm going to do a wash day video anyway. I just was trying to just determine when it was going to be. So might have it for this Sunday, maybe. We shall see. I am going to do another video tonight for the Flexi Rods set, because I'm going to have more of my hair down tomorrow to give it a break. But this video is specifically for my friend. So, and then I just get in like that, and then twist my flyaways, and then there you go. So I'm gonna get up closer so you can see my braids. Got this side and at the back. So cute. I just love this style. Oh, it's so adorable. I can wear this all the time. Just flatten out my edges. Seeing as I don't use a gel to fix my edges, I just smooth out with my fingers. But I ain't ready to go. I'm not going anywhere, but if I was going somewhere, I'd be ready to go. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.